Hello, everyone. My name is Jim Sutter, and I'm the CEO of the U.S. Soybean Export Council. My team and I are excited to be with you today, virtually, for the USSEC High Oleic Soybean Oil Update 2020. We really appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend with us. We all know that our lives have been greatly impacted by the COVID-19 situation, but we're very fortunate to be able to continue to dialogue thanks to technology, no matter where you are in the world. We do hope that you and your family are staying safe and continuing to take steps to make sure that happens. We also hope that you will find your investment in time in today's presentations worthwhile. So before we jump into the agenda, I want to share a little background on High Oleic Soybeans. This is a true U.S. soy innovation. These high oleic soybeans are grown exclusively in the United States. These beans produce an oil with greater functionality, which offers numerous advantages. Some of those are the neutral flavor, the improved fat profile, the versatility, the longer shelf life, the longer fry life, and the sustainability, the sustainable way that it's grown. That's just to name a few. Back in 2018, the stage was set for larger international demand when high oleic traits received global regulatory approval. We are starting to see high oleic soybean oil demand take off in some global markets, including South Korea, Japan, the Dominican Republic, and Costa Rica. Because this is a relatively new product to the global marketplace, we know that commercial availability is not yet high, and information on premiums and availability is not widely known. Today, we will provide you with information that's not readily available anywhere else. And we'll talk about sourcing, and we'll talk about the new research that's coming on this product. We'll also talk about things that you really want to know about, like high oleic markets, like the premiums, because we see numerous restaurants and food service companies, supermarket brands, health-conscious consumers, and industrial users beginning to realize the potential of high oleic soybean oil, and we want to make sure you know about it so you can do the same thing. We want to make sure that you understand the importance of working today with your supplier to make sure you lock in a supply for the 21-22 year. You may think that's a long way off, but U.S. soy farmers are today thinking about how many acres of high oleic soybeans that they're going to plant in 2021. There's a long supply chain because this is a specialty product. So we're going to have to ask you to plan ahead, especially in this early stages, to make sure that there's adequate availability. We hope that the sessions today will provide you with better insights into high oleic soybean oil produced in the U.S. We have strong speakers from across the industry that will provide the most up-to-date information and on research and markets. We're fortunate to have Dave Tegeter of Tegeter Consulting providing us with an overview of high oleic soybean oil and talking with us about sourcing. We also have USB Vice President John Jansen, who will speak with us about 2021 acreage, projections for the future, and availability of the oil. Following their presentations, Dave and John will participate in a live Q&A where you'll be able to ask questions. Following that, Susan Knowlton of Corteva will then speak. She'll talk about displacing palm with high oleic soybean oil. And last but certainly not least, Dennis Callawert from Oxford Biomed will talk to us about how FryCheck addresses the need for a quick, robust way to monitor frying oil quality. Susan and Dennis's presentations will also be followed by a live Q&A. So, once again, thank you so much for joining us in this virtual event. We are very excited about the opportunities offered by high oleic soybean oil produced in the U.S., and we hope you are as well. Thank you very much.